Do you luck out with the best bone structure in the world? Two main things I like to look at is your clavicles and your pelvic bone. Even just from your bone structure, you can kind of get a rough idea of what a decent amount of muscle will look on each of their frames. Pretty prime example of wide versus narrow clavicles. You see that even though this gentleman has a more developed physique, he's kind of prone to that blockier look. Also look at your pelvic bone. More specifically, I'm talking about your hips. Ryan Gosling is a great example of sort of that wider look. Someone also with wider hips, a wider pelvic bone, please don't get disheartened when we see this image on social media all the time. Side here, the tiniest waist, hips, non-existent. David Lade, tiny waist, hips, fucking non-existent. Fucking John Skywalker too. Get rid of the PEDs and all that other shit. Remember that they still did luck out with that aesthetic V-shaped bone structure. Can't change that. Still focus on your delts and your lats and build out that physique. While you can't change your bone structure, you can become the best version of yourself. That's a fucking